Well, I'm not dead. Taste clickbait. Hello, fellow Herders of the Blue, and welcome to my new studio. No, don't worry, I'm not quitting YouTube, and also not going to make a sobbing, sad video pretending I'm quitting just to reveal at the end I'm doing the opposite. That's dumb, and you deserve better. The reason I haven't made any videos for a while is because, well, I was moving. But you already know that because you watch my live streams. You watch my live streams, don't you? Yes, I moved to a different city and moving sucks ass, and not in the good way. It was a pain, but I am finally back on my feet and ready to make content again. In fact, the move has accelerated the jump I was, in all honesty, quite scared to make. I'm going full time with this nonsense as evidenced by the official YouTuber neon light thingy. Sweet! Also check my cat light. Very professional. I now finally have time to finish all the projects left halfway, like this one, or this, or this one. But sadly, that also means some changes are in the way. Until now, this was just a hobby, something I did for fun, and because I genuinely love teaching people how to paint, but now this is my job and things have to change and other things have to be added on top. I said in the very beginning of opening my Patreon that I would never hide videos behind a paywall, and I kept my promise for years. But now that has to change. Starting from this month, I will upload the regular monthly videos to my Patreon. Those videos will be more focused and will feature more in-depth painting with less editing and less cuts. I will also do masterclass type videos where I paint a miniature from start to finish in extreme detail, to as high level as possible. It's going to be fun. Right now there are 3 exclusive videos uploaded to the platform, and all you have to do to watch them is join my Patreon to the tier Errand Knight or above to gain access to these videos and all the future videos I will make. I really hope you can excuse that change. It was a very difficult decision, but one that had to be made. If you like what I've done for the past 5 years and want to make sure I keep doing it, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even the lowest tier helps more than you imagine. Apart from that, I also started doing live masterclasses. Actually, if you are watching this video at the time of this release, there are still spots available for my Nottingham masterclass in March. If you want to take part, please send me an email and secure your spot now. And you want me to go to your city, or if you own a shop or a club and want me to go there to give a masterclass, write me an email too. I would love to be there. I'm also going to make a call to all the miniature manufacturers that might be watching this video. This is unprecedented, but I'm right now open for box art commissions. If you want your miniature painted by me and featured on this platform, send me an email and we can discuss price and availability. Lastly, I just want to say thank you to all of you that kept supporting me through all this ordeal. From the absolute bottom of my heart, it really means the world to me and I will never forget it. Thanks. And now, let's get cracking.